Have you ever wondered why the Toyota Celica GT4 is considered one of the greatest rally cars ever built? Why enthusiasts around the world still speak about it with so much respect, even decades after production ended? And how a relatively humble Toyota became a machine capable of defeating the world's best rally teams? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the incredible story of the Toyota Celica GT4, a car that helped transform Toyota into a rally powerhouse and left a legacy that continues to influence performance cars to this day. The story begins during the 1980s, a period many enthusiasts consider the golden age of rally racing. Manufacturers from around the globe were engaged in fierce competition, pushing automotive technology to its limits. Rallying wasn't just about speed, it was about durability, traction, engineering innovation, and the ability to survive some of the harshest driving conditions on Earth. Toyota had already established itself as a reliable manufacturer, but reliability alone wasn't enough to dominate international motorsport. The company wanted to prove it could build a world-class performance machine capable of winning championships. The answer was the Celica GT4. Unlike ordinary sports cars of its era, the GT4 wasn't designed primarily for comfortable cruising or weekend drives. It was born from Toyota's desire to compete at the highest levels of rally racing. To achieve that goal, engineers equipped the car with a turbocharged engine and an advanced all-wheel drive system, creating a vehicle capable of delivering impressive performance on virtually any surface. At the heart of the GT4 was Toyota's legendary 3S GTE engine. This turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder power plant would go on to become one of the most respected Japanese performance engines ever created. Known for its strength, reliability, and tuning potential, the 3S GTE quickly earned a reputation among enthusiasts as an engine that could handle far more power than its factory specifications suggested. The first generation GT4 immediately demonstrated Toyota's commitment to performance, but it was only the beginning. With each new version, Toyota refined the formula, improving power, handling, aerodynamics, and overall capability. Engineers continuously gathered data from rally competition, using real-world racing experience to improve the road-going versions. What truly separated the Celica GT4 from many of its competitors was its balance. Some performance cars focused heavily on power, while others emphasized handling. The GT4 successfully combined, both while maintaining Toyota's reputation for reliability. This made it particularly effective in rally competition, where mechanical failures could instantly end a race. As Toyota continued developing the platform, success began to follow. The GT4 started achieving victories in the World Rally Championship, proving that reflected its competition and focused engineering. Even by modern standards, the design remains striking and instantly recognizable. However, the GT4 story isn't complete without mentioning one of the most controversial moments in motorsport history. During the mid-1990s, Toyota became involved in a highly publicized rally scandal involving turbo restrictor regulations. The engineering solution developed by Toyota was so sophisticated that officials initially struggled to understand how it worked. While the discovery ultimately resulted in severe penalties, the incident also highlighted the incredible level of technical expertise within Toyota's rally program. Despite the controversy, the GT4's achievements on the rally stage remained undeniable. Its victories, championships, and technological innovations helped shape the future of Toyota's motorsport efforts. More importantly, it demonstrated that Japanese manufacturers could compete directly with the best performance brands in the world. Today, the Celica GT4 enjoys a special place in automotive culture. As values of classic Japanese performance cars continue to rise, clean GT4 examples have become increasingly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Many see it as one of the last truly authentic rally homologation cars, built during an era when motorsport directly influenced road car development. Its appeal extends beyond performance figures or rarity. The GT4 represents a time when manufacturers built cars with a singular purpose: to win. Every component, every design choice, and every engineering decision was influenced by the demands of competition. That authenticity is something enthusiasts deeply appreciate. In many ways, the GT4 was overshadowed for years by icons like the Toyota Supermark IV and the Nissan Skyline GT-RR 34, but as appreciation for rally heritage has grown, more people have begun recognizing the Celica GT4 for what it truly is, one of the most important Japanese performance cars ever created. Its legacy can still be felt today in Toyota's modern motorsport efforts and performance vehicles. The lessons learned during the GT4 era helped shape the company's future, influencing generations of engineers and inspiring countless enthusiasts around the world. The Toyota Celica GT4 wasn't merely a fast car, it was a championship-winning machine, an engineering showcase, and a symbol of Toyota's ambition. Decades after its final production run, it continues to captivate enthusiasts with its unique combination of rally heritage, turbocharged performance, and unmistakable character. And that's why the Celica GT4 remains a legend, not just among Toyota fans, but among automotive enthusiasts everywhere. A true rally icon that proved determination, innovation, and relentless development can create something truly unforgettable.